I feel so blessed to have the opportunity every day to work on my body and get stronger and get more flexible and edge towards my big goals. It's such a blessing. If you're watching this video, and you have good internet and you have the ability to learn and you have the time to be able to invest, then you're very fortunate. And I think that we should all take stock of that on a daily basis. Sometimes we get bogged down in what we don't have and what we want to achieve that we haven't achieved yet. And I think sometimes it's really important to remember what we do have. And the one thing that you have, if you're watching this video, is you have the opportunity to learn and you have the opportunity to grow. So get up, make the most of it. Not a lot of people have that opportunity. There's a lot of people in the world that they either don't have the freedom or they don't have the space or the access to equipment or even the access to the information to be able to work out. So it's a blessing, if you ask me. And I have my good days and I have my bad days. We all do. But Monday morning, had a good weekend of recovery. I'm feeling good. There's plenty of things that I could focus on that could stress me out, but I choose to focus on how grateful I am for the opportunity to work out, to train, to spend time with my family, to grow my business, to develop myself. These are all things to be really grateful for. So I do my hanging every day before I do my handstands because it's a really, really good stretch for the lats. It's really, really good for activating the scapular stabilizers. It's a good stretch for the spine. So it really helps you to get your body aligned for the work that's coming with your handstand. It's really, really good. Starting to feel those calluses. That's the thing that really, is the challenge for me with this one. The calluses start to pull on the skin. Starts getting uncomfortable. Now's the time that I have to really just stay focused and just accept the discomfort. Embrace the discomfort that comes with training. Everything that you ever wanted is on the other side of discomfort, really. From a metaphorical or philosophical standpoint. We're almost there. All right, there it is, 5 minutes of hanging. And I am grateful that I'm getting better because that is my previous personal best. And I've only done that twice now, full 5 minutes.